Alright, 1,500 subscribers. Here we are. So this is the official 1,500 subscriber giveaway entry video. So, for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway, I am going to be giving away any one item off of my Teespring store. I have several different shirts, hoodies, and stickers available. But anything off of that store. So I'm going to post a couple of the different designs over here on this side for you guys to look at. But anyway, so the rules are simple. The only thing you really need to do is leave a comment down in the comment section that you want to enter, and I will randomly select one of the comments using a comment selection generator off of the internet. The video will be up for 1 week, and then I will do another video randomly picking that subscriber. So that's it. One item off of my Teespring store, and the only thing you have to do is leave a comment and be a subscriber. So good luck, have fun with it, and I hope one of you guys is the lucky winner and gets to, well, I know one of you guys will be the winner, but hopefully you guys can get one of the items off of my merch store that you've been looking at or that you've wanted and just haven't had a chance to get it yet. So it's a good thing right before Christmas. So good luck, and I'll see you.